Hi.
Well done.
Today we have Anna in the studio and Peter's done a kind of Peter Lindbergh style of lighting, just using natural light, but he's set up like a tent thingy. We'll show you that in just a moment. And he's shooting with, I don't know what that dance was, but it was funky.
You haven't dorked for ages, have you?
No, it just got postponed again.
Oh, that's your TikTok practicing, isn't it?
No, I don't TikTok. Peter's also shooting with his Sony, and he's got that tethered using Image Edge to his MacBook, so we'll show you that as well. I think Peter spent probably about an hour playing around with it.
Oh, setting up, yeah.
Yeah, whereas he
Compared
spent
to-
countless hours trying to set up Capture One, so we'll show you how cool this software is and
It's free.
run you through that.
You're really missing doofing, aren't you?
I miss dancing.
So as Bex said, we're shooting with the Sony today. This is a nice cheap setup. You only need some black material. You could set it up in your backyard or anywhere. We're just using natural light. I've got Anna on a table only to save my back, but in the real world she could have been on the ground and we could have just had a white sheet laid on the ground rather than on the stand to get some bounce back in. Peter Lindbergh used this setup a lot, especially in deserts and on beaches, and it's basically grabbing all this ambient light and forcing it into a tunnel. I'm on the Sony today and I'm tethered, like Beck said, to Image Edge, and literally I think total time I've spent on Image Edge connecting, and some of it was my own fault with some settings in the camera. It's only taken me an hour to completely learn how to get this running properly, whereas I don't know how many hours I spent on Capture One and still not happy. It still drops out, still does stuff on me, but that aside, and it's a free program if you own a Sony, so it's a bonus. And if Anna keeps covered and puts her hand up, you'll see that we've got a live stream happening pretty much onto your desktop as well. With the setup, it's just a big blacked out area, so I've just got black material hanging over and around her. I've got her sitting on black and a black wall behind her. Anna looks like she's naked, but she's not, because I will get my best pictures off women if they're not naked. So she has got a G on and we've got tape on, and that way she doesn't have to really worry about anything. She can just worry about getting an amazing face. Yeah, if you want to see boobs on my page, we'll throw a couple of links in descriptions. We have videos where boobs are in the picture and you can look at them there. So this is an educational, this is not, I'm coming here to look at boobs. They're so rare.
So rare.
Chance of ever seeing one is just so rare. I've set up my naming and everything within this. That was really quick and easy. Where it was going to save, I've got it saving to both the computer and my camera at the same time. So there's my backup, which my Hasselblad won't do, this is a bonus for me. So now it's just a matter of shooting Anna and moving around. So the main thing I really want to work on is an expression, her eyes, a thought. And as I said to Anna earlier, there's a million women out there that have beautiful faces and beautiful bodies, but it's getting that incredible expression with it, which actually makes that picture to die for. I've come back a bit just because I want to use a little bit more of the zoom of the camera, because I want that slightly flattened look. That's really cool. That's really cool. The settings that are coming out here are pretty much mimicking just the black and white settings which are in the camera. So I've just got my camera settings set to black and white in the camera. So it's putting that black and white as the preview. Being a RAW, the images won't be black and white. So I've still got a color image in there, but I want to be viewing these as a black and white. I'm liking everything I'm seeing there. It's giving me the feeling that I need to be able to create good photos, because if that looks good, I feel good. I'm actually going to come off the tripod for two reasons. One, I can now change my angles really quickly a little bit. And the number two is I can force Anna to pose, because as I walk, she has, oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. And I can do some nice zoom ins. Cool, that's stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Becca's so used to me being on our tripod, this is not as easy, is it? You're fine? Cool, cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Thoughts? Who are you looking at? Who are you thinking about? That's better. The viewer that's going to look at the picture needs to feel that you're looking at them. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Yeah, I'm loving the light. I'm liking everything. I'm just going to work until we can nail a shot. Drift a little bit more. So, yeah, I think I need just a little bit more movement. That's stunning, stunning, stunning. I stand here. I'm just on your face now. Oh, okay. So I can just turn this and zoom whole of you or just your face. So I'm only shooting to your knee now. Cool. That's really pretty. That's better. That's much nicer. You comfy with that pose? Yeah. I reckon maybe side on. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Eyes, yeah, cool, cool. Oh, I like that lots. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. I like that a lot. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's really pretty. Stunning. That's much better, Anna. Stunning. That's pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. I love that. See, if I leave you alone, you come up with awesome stuff. One of the joys with shooting with Anna now is I can actually slow right down and not have millions of files because she has learned to reset. She doesn't have a camera face at all anymore. So you'll see that she's not reposing, she's just resetting her thoughts and giving me her eyes. Cool, thank you. And read my mind. She knew that when her knee was on her face like this, it was it was making her, yeah, very pretty. That's very, oh, I like that. There. Hold that thought. That's really pretty. Hand flat, just roll your hand a little bit. Just make it a little bit more lady. That's it, that's better. Cool, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Do you want to come on front and I'll teach you a pose? Yeah, that's cool. So what we've got to do is make sure one of your feet's in front of that. So as long as you just leave that one foot there, you can just move around heaps and you're completely covered, all right? That's pretty, that's really pretty. Pretty sad. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So with Anna, I reckon I get my very best pictures when I just leave her at it and then come back. You see straight away, the very first frame. And this is actually a model, this is a model I love because I could shoot Anna film. Because I just ignore her for a minute, she gets bored, then gives me the most beautiful face. Cool, cool. Yeah, it's so much better when I look away, or when I move away a bit. All right, so let's see if you can do Candace for a minute. I like that pose, I like that. I just want the face. That's cool, that's really cool. For anybody watching, see how she's just playing with her hands? Just that takes all the pressure off, doesn't it? Yeah. You can't think when you're doing that, can you? Yeah. It makes you feel that's so pretty, that's so pretty. You'll see there's a glow in. That's really pretty, that's stunning, stunning. Stunning. Cool, 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 cool. These are really pretty, Anna, but I reckon you can do better. That's beautiful, eyes. So much better. Now that she thinks she's going to go onto a t-shirt, look at the glow. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Did you feel that? Yeah, good. Whenever I see something where you look and your face changes straight away, I'll always ask, did you feel it? Because then it meant that you should be able to re-feel that another day. You start to learn what what makes a beautiful face like that. That's so pretty, so pretty. Now she's getting into it. You've been locked down too long. Yeah, you're definitely, now you're back where you were last time. Oh, that's gorgeous. The only problem with the Sony, when I get excited, I take too many pictures and there's hardly a change between each frame. These are cool. These are really, really cool. These are so cool. This is gorgeous. I'm really enjoying shooting with this Sony, especially now I can tether up like I can tether with the Hasselblad. They're coming up really quick. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see more of Anna, they're up there.